here it is, guys. Today it's time to welcome you all with the brand new Mercedes-AMG C43, the first ever AMG version of the W206 C-Class. Guys, as you remember, I presented you the brand new Mercedes C-Class back in February last year, and now the first AMG version of the C-Class, the C43 4MATIC, right here, guys. The wait is finally over. And in today's video, I will be doing a full walk around showing you the entire exterior. Afterwards, we will be jumping inside for an interior view, and last but not least, finish it all off with a resume. So let's get right into it and talk about this car here in specific, the W206 C-Class, the first C43 AMG, right here, finished in diamond white. We have some amazing wheel options right here and a lot to talk about. But let's talk about the technical information. So with the new C43 AMG, we have the M139 4-cylinder, which we already know from the A45 CLA45, the world's strongest 4-cylinder ever produced by AMG. And in addition to that, for the first time ever, we have the electric exhaust gas turbocharger. This technology is from Formula One, and they have converted it into serious production also for the first time ever. And in addition to that, we also have the belt-driven starter generator supporting the engine again with another 10 kilowatts, around 14 horsepower, making this again a mild hybrid like all the other C-classes. We know in total we have a system output of 408 horsepower, making it extremely powerful, guys. Can't wait to demonstrate you the performance of this. All in all, guys, let's get right into it and start with a walk around. We'll be talking about all the technical information and everything in the future when we also drive this car. But yeah, let's just start right ahead with the front and the walk around of this new C43 AMG. And yeah, when we look at the front, guys, just look at it. It looks extremely powerful, extremely sporty. Let's just start right ahead with the headlights. Here we have the digital light headlight unit, which we also know from the base C-Class. We have the center LED and the single LED dot, which looks very cool. In addition to that, as we have an AMG right here, we have the so-called Panamericana front grille, which is finished in black. It's like a full chrome black finish, which looks very nice. You can also see the contrast with the normal chrome and the AMG badge here. We have the front Mercedes Benz star, and yeah, the front bumper is actually exactly the same as we have with the AMG line. But as I mentioned back in the days, I mean, the AMG line C-Class looks extremely sporty, but in addition with the so-called Panamericana front grille, this car looks very cool. But when we look at the side of the new C43, guys, I have to be honest, these wheels look so nice. I just love the look of these. The new 20-inch AMG wheels for the C43. Guys, just look at him. We also have the aero rings here on the outside of the wheel, but all in all, the entire finish and the look of these make this car look extremely beautiful with the nice matte finish here with the black inside, center Mercedes-Benz star. We have the AMG brake calipers here, finished in gray with the AMG inside. You can't really spot them, but I mean, the wheel is just a highlight of this beautiful car. On the side, we have the turbo electrified badge. Back in the days, we had the turbo 4MATIC badge here, and now we have a turbo electrified badge, which is finished in black, as we have the night package. Looks very cool. On the side here again, everything is blacked out. Also, the rear windows are tinted. The frames here, everything finished in black. Even here, this side part is also finished in blacks and gives a very nice contrast with the nice diamond white exterior paint. In the rear, we have yet again 20-inch wheel options here. And with the Mercedes-AMG C43, we have the rear axle steering, which is optional for the normal C-Class, the base C-Class. It's standard for the C43, making it more handier driving around the cities. But yeah, in higher speeds, it's way more agile and more sporty driving it, okay? Let me also show you a video of how that looks with the normal base C-Class, like 2.5 degrees. I guess that must be looking extremely good in addition with these wheels. But there's something way more important I have to show you guys, and it's the rear, guys. Look at this. What a beauty. I already mentioned it a lot of times. The base C-Class looks very sporty. I mean, the taillights, the entire design itself, the lines, but the C43 really underlines this looks and makes it looks 10 times better. Yeah, let's just talk about rear taillights here. Very sharp finish. It fits extremely well in addition with the rear wing here, which is not that big, but there will be an option for that, so you can have a bigger one as well. With the AMG badges here finished in a black chrome finish. This is not just black, this is like black chrome. Looks very luxurious. Also the Mercedes Benz star and the C43 badge here on the side. In addition to that, we have the AMG exhaust tips, which are also finished in black, as we have the Nike package on this. And yeah, the rear diffuser, also a very sporty look on it. And all in all, guys, how do you like the rear? What do you prefer, the front or the rear? In my opinion, this looks so nice. And I can't wait to finally see the C43. Just imagine having the quad exhaust tips and a wider body, you know. This will look 10 times better. But that's it for the exterior walk, guys. It's now time to talk about the interior. Let's just jump right inside. And here we have it. But as always, before we step inside, let's concentrate on the door panels here. Very nice full black leather finish here. And in addition to that, we have a nice red stitching on this as well, underlining the nice and great performance look. But guys, just look at the new and updated AMG bucket seats here. They look very nice and underline the look of this interior. AMG entrance board, AMG floor mat. Let's just jump inside and have a closer look inside the new C43 AMG. So inside the C43 AMG, the first thing we have to talk about is the flat bottom AMG steering wheel. This looks exactly the same as we had with the E53 or with the CLS 53. There's a new and updated AMG steering wheel. Finished here on the side with the nice Dynamica leather on top and bottom, flat bottom, AMG engraved over here, and the updated AMG steering wheel buttons, where you can choose from slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and also race driving modes. But I don't think that we will have it for the normal C43, as we have a demo car here. There is some things weird on the infotainment and else, so please excuse that. For the production vehicles, we will not have any issues at all. We have the new shift pedals here, up and down, C-shaped, looks very well. And also, I thought the display in front of the driver was bigger, but it's just about the design and new theme we have here with the AMG Super Sport view. We also have the track pace view focused for the track, but here we have the sport. Even this looks way better than the base C-Class. This is a classic. But here we have the new Super Sport look, which gives this car an extreme nice look. You can also switch whatever you want here. It's not working right now, as this is a demo vehicle, as I mentioned. Also here, the C-Class display. We also have the car displayed here. You can go to the AMG options right here, and then you can change the driving modes and else. Like, so cool. It's exactly the same as we had with the SL back in the days. Plus, we have the exhaust button here. You can also get an optional exhaust, the AMG exhaust, which you can enable and disable with this button right here. All in all, we have the full carbon fiber trim here on the center console. Looks extremely nice, guys. I love the look of it. It's not like a fake or carbon fiber look, it's real carbon fiber. And let's just have a talk about the seats, guys. Here we have the updated AMG seats, and I think we will be also seeing these on the C63 as well. Maybe finish in leather or carbon fiber would be extremely nice. We have the AMG engraved over here, full black finish here, perforated leather, red stitching, red also in the inside. As you have a closer look here, you can like grab inside it. The feel is very nice, honestly. Extremely sporty. Red seat belts as well. In addition, looks extremely well. And we have the rear seats again with the red seat belts and the nice finish. But all in all, guys, how do you like the inside of the C43 AMG? But yeah, guys, let's just hop outside and finish it off with a resume. Guys, there's also something I don't want to forget to mention, is that for the new 4-cylinder we have here with the M139, which you also know from the A45 and CLA45, we have the one man, one engine badges, which we also had with the V8 and V12 cars back in the days. As you can see here, handcrafted by, and then you have the name of the engine producer, made in Affalterbach, which is extremely nice. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like the brand new Mercedes-AMG C43? Guys, in my opinion, this looks extremely well. As I mentioned, the normal base C-Class looks very nice. I mean, just look at the front bonnet, all the lines. And now in addition with the so-called Panamericana front grille and the nice looking wheels, plus the performance of this vehicle, I can't wait to demonstrate it. And I can't wait to hear the sound of this beast. Guys, I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you all an amazing day. I will be back.